I look so tired. So I was just taking a little nap and then I realized that I needed to film my BoxyCharm box for you guys. As soon as my box comes in, I do like to sit down and review it for you guys, share with you guys what I have in my box, try it on, and tell you guys whether these products are worth it. Some of you guys may not be subscribed to BoxyCharm and then you're just waiting for a certain box to just convince you. So this one might be it, maybe. I did take a peek inside of my box and I think these products are... I'm really excited to use them. I don't know if they're gonna work, so that's why it makes it just that much more exciting. So if you're not already subscribed to BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. And they switch up every single month. You get skincare, makeup products, hair care, and also like nail polishes and stuff like that. So it's all beauty related. And I'm here every single month to share with you guys what I receive in my box. I'm going to put a direct link down below so you can click on the link and it'll direct you straight to BoxyCharm in case you're interested in subscribing. And by you subscribing using my link, it does make me a little bit of commission to support what I do here on my channel. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. I love you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing what I received in this month's box, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
This is the pamphlet that we received this month. This is the theme, all access. I'm not really sure what that means. Anyway, I have variation number 13. You guys can see the little 13 right here. What that means is that there's different variations to what we receive. Because they are trying to personalize the products, and that's why we're receiving different variations. So I'm going to show you guys what is inside of mine, and I'm going to show you in the order of how I'm going to be using them. The first item that I'm seeing here is a $1 Billion Brow. This is the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. This retails for $18 on its own. So the applicator looks like this here, which I guess will help you get the natural brow strokes. I guess we'll see if it does that. I got the color Taupe. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is going to be good for up to 6 months. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but I'm not really seeing anything. Okay, that's super light. Is it supposed to be like that? Maybe I have to shake it. Are you guys seeing a difference? Yeah. So just going back and looking at it, I really don't see that much of a difference. I mean, I guess it does add a little bit of tint to it, but I like bold brows. Okay, so I was going like really hard back here to get more of the product out, and it kind of worked a little bit more. I'm just gonna repeat the same exact steps over to the other side. And that's as good as my eyebrows are basically gonna get. Okay, I have to share this with you guys because I'm going over this. I don't know if you guys can pick up all the little specks that this product is leaving on me. It's also like whenever I go over it, it's leaving little patchy messes. I don't know. I'm just trying to cover it up, but it's just like breaking up into like, I don't know. Like, look at this. What kind of eyebrow is that? I'm going to continue to try to work with this, and then I'm going to carve out my eyebrows, and then we'll move on to the next product. I did have to use a brow pomade just to clean it up a little bit because I probably just need to learn how to use this brow product. It's just really different. I've never used anything like this, so maybe I just used it wrong, but this is kind of like a first impression. Moving on to the next item that I received is this Too Faced Natural Face Highlight Blush Bronze Veil Face Palette. And this is a full-size palette, you guys. This is like, it has a bit of weight to it. Okay, so once I remove it from the sleeve, the actual palette, oh shoot. This is a really nice palette, you guys. Look at this. On the pamphlet, it says, fall in love with the first face palette that uses your own natural beauty to luminize, add a bronzing veil, and create a flirty flush, making all your effortlessly beauty dreams come true. The velvety soft formula is infused with hydrating coconut butter and includes multi-dimensional shades that can be worn all over the face to take care of your natural beauty game to the next level. Did I read that wrong? This palette right here retails for $44. And by the way, this has like a smell of like gingerbread, or I'm just gonna go with gingerbread, okay? It has like some, like the smell kind of reminds me of like Christmas time. This here is the swatches of that face palette. The next item in my box is the Moda 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. And this 5-piece brush set retails for $27.95. These here are the 5 brushes that are a part of the set. So this one here you can use for either eyebrows or you can use it for eyeliner. I don't know how people do their eyeliner with this. I still need to learn. This is a perfect blending brush. This is the BMX 430. Here's a shader brush. This is the BMX 466. This is perfect for packing on eyeshadows. And then moving along to the smudger brush. This is the BMX 402. So this is perfect for like the under eye area and just to smudge out any colors. Or you can also use it at your lid to just like pack on. Then this is the detailed BMX 420 brush, and this one is perfect for like crease areas, just to diffuse any eyeshadow at your crease, or I'll just show you guys different ways to use them. I'm going to use the BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm going to take the color Sunny Honey. Sunny Honey is this one right here. It's kind of light. Hopefully it shows up on my lid. But I did put a pretty nice base so that these colors kind of show through. So I'm just going to begin by diffusing these outer edges right here and taking it up this way. This does have a really strong smell, but I like how it smells. The next color I'm going to use is Pink Sand, and I hope that this shows up a little bit darker. I'm going to be using the BMX 466 shader brush with this color right here. Going back in with that blending brush, just making sure this is all blended in here. Now with the detailed brush, the BMX 420, I'm going to be using the color Starlight with this brush here. I'm going to be placing this right here. Ooh, that is beautiful. This is the 4th item inside of my box. This is the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. This here retails for $20. So make sure that you shake it, because this is a felt tip pen and I feel like these dry out really fast. Hopefully it's not the case with this one. Okay, this is very, very precise. I really like it so far. This felt tip is really bendable and I like how smoothly it glides on. I have like no issue applying this. I just applied some black eyeliner and I'm going to take the color Pink Sand on the smudger brush, which is the BMX, what is it called? BMX 402 brush. Taking this color right here, I'm just placing it right underneath that liner. I I just realized that most of the products that we received in this month's box are all eye related except the face palette. So I'm going to quickly pop on some lashes, mascara, and the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to finish up the look using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'll come back to finish up with you guys using the Too Faced face palette. What I forgot to do is add a little bit of brow bone highlight. So I'm going to be taking the color Satin Sheets and the detailed brush. And I'm just going to be applying it right beneath that eyebrow. That inner water highlight though, ooh, it's so freaking beautiful. Let's move on to the rest of the face using the palette. I'm going to try using Sunny Honey as my contour shade. Let's just go with Sunny Honey and hope that it works to bronze up the face. Okay, that's definitely working. I like it. This is the perfect color for my skin tone. It looks a lot lighter in the pan, honestly. Ooh, I'm starting to look really chiseled. Using the shader brush, I'm going to use that to warm up my nose and just kind of make it look a little bit thinner. Just kidding. I don't know how to contour, but let's just try. You know, I want to try to utilize these brushes as much as possible. Using that same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm going to take the color Satin Sheets. This is a really nice goldish highlighter. I'm also going to spray this. And I'm just going to be applying the highlighter right there. The bridge of my nose. Whew. Whew. Gotta get the angles, you know? Cupid's bow. I'm going to take the color Pink Wink. So just packing it on. The color Satin Sheets looks like a really yellow highlighter. Like a golden yellow. I don't know if it goes with my inner water highlight, but whatever. I feel like a hero. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did my hair off camera and I applied some lipstick, lip gloss, and yeah. I still have one more product that I have not used, and that's the sleeping mask. And you have to apply this on clean skin. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the products before I remove my makeup. Honestly, this is a really good month for you to sign up if you enjoyed these products. These products are just so freaking like incredible. I can't believe that they're in this month's $21 box. So starting with the natural face palette from Too Faced, I think that that palette definitely just sold me. It retails for $44 and the box is $21. Like, what the hell? It worked really good with my skin tone, and there's definitely colors in here that will complement deeper skin tones. The brushes, I love Moda brushes. I think Moda brushes are really, really good. And you get a 5-piece set that I think you're gonna love and you're gonna utilize in your makeup routine. So that brush set was good job, BoxyCharm. The Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. That eyeliner, you guys, look how matte it is. It applied so smoothly, and the felt tip is very bendable so that it moves along to however you're applying it. There's absolutely no bleeding of the eyeliner, and I just love how it's super matte. It doesn't have like a shiny finish. I don't like eyeliners that have a shiny finish, so I'm really impressed with this eyeliner. And then as far as the Microblade brow pen, that was the only thing that I wasn't fond of. I had to go in with my Anastasia brow pomade to finish up my eyebrows. I don't want to judge it too much because maybe I just don't know how to use it. I'm going to look up different ways to use it and just stay updated with me on my Instagram, where I share with you guys like how products are working for me on my Instagram stories. So all of my social media handles are going to be listed down below in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove my makeup, and I want to share with you guys my thoughts in regards to this product. This here is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. That is definitely what my skin feels like right now. I have like redness right in this area right here, and it feels irritated because of all the face washes that I used. I've been using a lot of stuff for my breakouts, as you guys can see. I've just been freaking out a lot. Like, my skin's going through the gigs, girl. So let me just go ahead and apply this. This here, by the way, retails for $52. It has a very light scent. I can't really describe it. Oh my god, do you guys see this? Part of that eyebrow product just wouldn't come off. Like, I had to scrub my eyebrows in order for the eyebrow thing to come off. It was super weird. And that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I started making this video around 11 p.m. and it's a little bit over 1 now. And it just really sucks that I didn't get to wear this makeup out because it looked really good in my opinion. I just wanted to share with you guys what I received in my box and how to utilize the products that come in this month's box. Let me know what you guys received in your box and what you're most excited about. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and keep in mind that I do these videos every single month, so make sure that you do subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. If you do have a little bit of extra time, don't forget to catch up with my latest videos, which I'm going to be linking right over here. And again, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video, and hopefully I see you in my next one. Bye!